Good day, everyone, and welcome to the Weather Center. We are looking here at this area of low pressure, which is what remains of tropical cyclone Dineo that has been weakening over the past 24 hours. However, this system is still pretty strong and is going to be dumping a lot of rain across eastern Limpopo and Mpumalanga, where we actually have a warning for heavy rains that could result in localized flooding in places. At the same time, isolated to scattered thundershowers are forecast from the western and southern interior, pushing through the central areas into eastern South Africa. A sunny and hot day is forecast for the western parts of the northern and western Cape provinces. The low pressure system we saw earlier is also going to produce strong winds that could gust to 40 kilometers per hour over parts of Limpopo, Gauteng, the northwest and the northern parts of the Mpumalanga province. We are expecting scattered to widespread thunderstorms for the rest of your Friday over the eastern parts of Mpumalanga and Limpopo. Scattered thunderstorms for much of KwaZulu-Natal and the northeastern areas of the Eastern Cape. We are expecting less intense rainfall in the areas you see the lighter shades of blue across the rest of South Africa. It's going to be cooler this Friday over much of Limpopo thanks to the cloud cover forecast across the province. Polokwane warming to just around 23 degrees. Much warmer for Gauteng and the northwest. Mahikeng is set to hit the 30-degree mark. Highs in the lower 30s are forecast for the western and northern parts of the Free State. Similar temperatures across much of the Eastern Cape and parts of KwaZulu-Natal. Ladysmith should make it to around 29 degrees. Moderate to fresh winds are forecasted this Friday along much of the East Coast. Temperatures around 31 degrees for Durban, a bit cooler as we go towards the Eastern Cape coastal areas. It's going to be sizzling hot this afternoon for much of the southern interior, where highs in the mid to upper 30s are expected. A warm day for the south and the southwest coastline with highs in the upper 20s. It's going to be rather breezy for Plettenberg Bay and Jeffreys Bay, where winds gusting to 35 kilometers per hour are expected. A sizzling hot Friday is forecast for much of the northern Cape. Appington is set to hit the 40-degree mark. Moderate to fresh winds are forecast for the west coast. Cape Town should warm to around 29 degrees this afternoon. On Saturday, it's going to be unsettled for much of South Africa, partly cloudy and dry for Richards Bay, Durban and Cape Town.